Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Google account has the PIN and why you need it removed. Sign into that account on a secure device. Make sure you have access to recovery email or phone. Once signed in, open security or payment settings depending on PIN type because deletion paths differ. Gather proof of account ownership like recent sign-in locations and payment methods. This initial verification saves time later and prevents lockouts, so don't skip checking recovery options before proceeding to the removal step. Now you navigate to the exact setting where the PIN lives. For payment or family link PINs, go to Payments or Family Settings. For device lock, use Security Screen Lock. Authenticate when prompted using your current PIN, password, or a recovery code so Google verifies you. Once authenticated, select the option to change or remove the PIN. Choose Remove and Follow prompts. Make sure to read confirmation text because removing a PIN typically disables that protection until you set a new one. Finish by confirming the removal and testing access immediately. Sign out and sign in, then try the action that required the PIN. If Google still requests the PIN or blocks you, use the account recovery form and provide the proof you gathered earlier. Escalate to Google support if needed. Make sure to update recovery phone and email after resolution so you can reset more easily next time. One tip: if recovery fails, wait 24 to 72 hours before retrying to avoid lockout triggers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.